Hi, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I've got a hot 1968 red GTO. This thing's got a 4-speed in it and a big block. 455. This thing, get up and go. Absolutely gorgeous car. Hey, if you'd like to come down to our shop and check it out, we've got about 115 other cars here for sale. We've got 30,000 square feet of indoor storage. We're right outside of Detroit in Plymouth, Michigan. Come on out, visit us. If you're from out of town, fly into Detroit Metro Airport, call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll send one of the guys from the shop down to the airport. We can pick you up. It's about a 20-minute ride from the airport. You can come up here and check out all these hot rods. So come check us out. If you'd like to know the reserve price of any of the cars we have for sale, if you're catching us on eBay, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. The price you see on our website is the exact price of the reserve on eBay. We're not going to sell these cars till we hit our reserve, so check out the website, check out the price, or call Tom at 248-974-9513. He can end the auction right now. You don't have to get in a bidding war with somebody who might want that car just a little bit more than you. So check it out. If you've got a muscle car for sale, Tom would love to talk to you about that. If you know somebody with a muscle car for sale, one of these high quality muscle cars, call Tom with the number. If we buy the car, you get 200 bucks. Let's go out here in the showroom and check out these cars. All right, we're out here in our showroom now. We've got 20,000 feet here, got 10,000 feet down the street. We've got over 115 cars for sale. We're not a consignment dealer. We buy each and every one of these cars. We have clear and free title every one of the cars. There's no middleman here. When you call us, you're talking to the guys that can make the deal. All right, we're out here with the GTO now, and I know you GTO guys are screaming, it's got a chrome bumper on it. Well, you know what? I thought that too, and I've got a piece of paper here. It tells me that you could order one of these chrome bumpers on a GTO in 1968. So get in our ad and check that out. If you're catching us on YouTube and you'd like to see pictures of this car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to put it up on the lift. We're going to take about 100 pictures of it. Underneath it, in the wheel wells, in the engine compartment, in the interior, the trunk. We're going to show you everything you need to see to make a good decision on your muscle car investment. Also, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at classiccarbuyingsecrets.com. So come on up here, let's take a look at this thing. Take a look at the gorgeous red paint on this thing. I tell you, they really picked the right color red for this thing. This thing is just popping. It's got SSBC brakes on the front, good looking rims and tires on it. The door gaps look good, all the stainless looks great. Everything operates nice. Take a look at the door lips and the door jambs. This thing's just beautiful inside and out. Quarter panel looks awesome. All the trim back here looks good. The emblems look good. We're getting the trunk here. This back bumper looks great. Take a look in the trunk there. We got a spare tire, lug wrench, whole 9 yards. The jack, the wheel wells look good. Looks like there's an amp in there. Bottom side of the deck lid looks good. We got a good looking rubber here on the trunk lid. Shuts down nice. Look down the side of that car. It is straight as an arrow. Take a look how the door fits. Nice and flush. The gap looks good. Door handle's beautiful. All these lips look good. The door jambs look great. As I said earlier, we're not a consignment dealer. We spend the time. We check these things out. I've got 7 full-time mechanics here. When we get it back to the shop, they make sure the brakes are good. They pull them all apart and inspect them. They make sure you got turn signals, brake lights, headlights, dash lights. We go through all those major systems. If you have any questions about the car that we don't answer in the video or in the ad, call Tom at 248-974-9513. He can answer any questions you have about this car. Let's get in the interior and check it out. Good looking door panels, armrest looks good, the handles are nice. Good looking wood steering wheel, good looking dash pad. The seats don't look like they've ever been sat in. Back seat's beautiful, the carpet's gorgeous. Good looking center console in this thing. Headliner's in nice shape. It's a beautiful car. All right, we're underneath this thing, nice and solid, beautiful GTO. I've got this big cast aluminum rear end cover on it. We just counted the rear end. It is a Posi. It's about a 355 gear. It's a 10 bolt. Good looking gas tank in it. All the bushings here look like they're in good shape. Got a brand new exhaust system on it. Looks like aluminized pipe, 2.5 inch. Looks like a Flowmaster system. U-joints look like they were replaced. The floorboards look fabulous. That's a new word. The floorboards look great. They're nice and solid. Don't look like they've ever had any work done to them whatsoever. Looks like we got a new brake line going from front to rear here. The frame's in great shape. Always get inside the frame and check that out. The pinch welds here in the back of the rockers are looking good. Of course, Mucie 4-speed, jet-coated headers. Got aluminum bell housing here. It's an aftermarket, probably Milodon pan. It's real sharp, nice and clean here. Now take a look up here. All new nuts and bolts. Looks like tie rod ends are new. Looks like the drag link's new. The idler arm's new. We've got SSBC brakes up front. Looks like brand new rotors, brand new calipers, brand new flex lines or stainless steel flex lines. This is a beautiful build. Real sharp looking GTO underneath, guys. Let's check out the wheels and tires on this thing. All right, we got BFGs, of course. Those are great tires. We got 235/60/15s on some American Racing, torque thrust, polished aluminum. The wheel lip trims are new, it looks like. The wheel well's nice and clean inside. Okay, we've got BFGs on the rear also. Got 245/60/15s, same good looking rims. Checked out all the lower quarters here. Nice hollow sound there, you know that's just metal. Backing up here, this is all metal here in the drop downs. Wheel wells are nice and solid. It's a gorgeous car all the way through. So let's lower this thing down and take a look at that 455. This is beautiful under here. Beautiful paint job on the core support here. Looks like the radiator's brand new. MSD running the ignition. Good looking air cleaner there. It's got a Holley carb underneath there. I love these valve covers. All aluminum, say Pontiac right in them. The inner fenders are all painted up nice. Good looking job on the running all the brake lines. This is a proportioning valve for the rear brakes. Looks like it's got a brand new battery in it. Power steering, power brakes. Great big old single plane. It looks like Performer RPM intake on it. It's Doug's headers. Doug's is the best headers, especially on Pontiacs. They build the best set of headers for Pontiac. Looks like the heater's hooked up. We've got heater hoses here. Firewall's nice and clean. Underside of the hood looks good. This is one beautiful GTO, guys. It's not going to last long either. I tell you, this front bumper, we've got some paperwork on it. Everybody says you couldn't get a chrome front bumper on a GTO, but we got paperwork to prove that you can. There was a special order, and I love it. I love the chrome front bumper on this thing. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. All right, let's take this GTO for a ride. Tell you, it's a blast to drive. I love the hood on this thing. The tack out there on the hood's working. My Speedo's working here. The windshield wipers work. I've got aftermarket gauges down here. I've got my water temp, my oil pressure, my voltage gauge down here. It's got an aftermarket Sony radio in it. Of course, the 4-speed, love that. Love shifting the gears in these things. The real blast really brings you back to the old days here. At Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this thing anywhere in the world. Just call us at 248-974-9513. Take a look at that beautiful paint on that hood. It is just shining. You can see reflection of all the buildings and the trees and everything in that hood. That paint's shining so good. Also, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There's a Facebook button there, and it shows you everything we got going on. All the new cars we got coming in, all the cars we're selling. It's a great way to keep track of us. Tell you what, the power steering on this thing's working great. Get here in the straight here. Let loose of the steering wheel here. She's going nice and straight, no hands on the wheel. Shifting through the gears real nice and smooth. And there is no better place to buy a muscle car than the Motor City, and that's right where we're at. We're in Plymouth, Michigan, just outside the Motor City. This is our shop right here, 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Good looking T-Bird there. There's the Cherry Bomb truck. That baby's got a Hemi in it, 680 horse. So check us out and let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.